Today, our adventure takes us right out the back door. Today, we're exploring a hidden creek tucked away behind the Blue Ridge home. No trail maps, no crowds, just full water, curious dogs, and a reminder that nature has its own plans. Go. Go. Moss-covered rocks line the banks, and the sound of the current instantly slows everything down. This place feels untouched, like it's been here forever, waiting to be explored. The dogs are in their element, splashing through shallow pools, jumping from rock to rock, noses down and tails wagging nonstop. Every bit in the creek brings something new. Fallen logs, smooth stones shaped by years of rushing water, and those perfect little pockets where the water slows and turns crystal clear. This will be me, the expert drone operator, flying my drone trying to get some great shots of everything from above. Of course, adventure wouldn't be complete without a little chaos. While trying to capture the creek from above, the drone had other plans. One sudden dip, a misjudged angle, and just like that, it's in the water. The creek claims its prize.
So, I'm getting some wonderful footage. My drone, of course, took a dive in the drink.
It was frustrating in the moment, but standing there watching the current flow past, it's hard to stay upset. Sometimes you lose things to the places you love, and sometimes that's just part of the story. The creek keeps moving unchanged, reminding us that not everything is meant to be controlled.
It's right there, but it is so much deeper than what my boots will allow. And there's sticks everywhere. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Let's see if this will work. Let's see if I can do this with the... Oh gosh, it's coming in my boot. Drone's done. It's trying to turn on. Oh, I wish it wouldn't. Maybe it'll still work once it's dried out. I don't know. Oh, shoot. Oh, there's the dogs. Okay. Let's see if I can get back a different way than I came. I just did not want to get shot. But I think this is a rental property. The walk of shame after the drone takes a swim. Beautiful.
So you can't let it keep you down for long. These dogs need exercise, and I'm ready to play. So let's get to it. A little ball throwing.
Rouge is like, never mind. What is it? Really low deep? back up these steps, even though it sucks to leave that. Definitely got to bring a picnic lunch or something next time. It'd be nice if there was a grill down here. There is a fire pit on the other side, but okay, let's go, Bo. Up. But Sherry said there's 175 steps going down. Down wasn't so bad, but she said they're not even. That's what's going to take us so. I don't know. Most important part is to remember that it's vacation, and that stairs will make you slow down and enjoy the view. Oh, here we go. Does anyone by any chance know how many steps a Boykin has to take before they're tired? Anybody? No? Okay. Because there's been a lot, and we haven't found the number yet.
Well, once we get up all those steps, we get home, take our showers, bathe the dogs, get something to eat, we decide we've got to hit the road. Not far from here, the mountain town of Helen transforms into something straight out of a Christmas postcard. During the holidays, the Bavarian-style streets glow with lights, garlands hang from every corner, and the entire town feels wrapped in a winter charm. Of course, before we get to Helen, there are so many small towns like this one called Blairsville that we traveled through that's literally a roundabout. But it was so lit up and had such a Christmas charm. The buildings are already unique, feel even more magical this time of year. Christmas music drifts through the air, shops glow warmly from the inside, and people slow down just enough to take it all in. Whether it's walking along the Chattahoochee River, grabbing something warm to drink, or just wandering the streets, Helen at Christmas feels like stepping into a whole nother world. a quiet creek hidden in the woods to the festive lights of Helen, Georgia, these are the moments that make the mountains special. Unplanned adventures, small losses, muddy paws, and holiday magic, all part of the journey. If you enjoyed this little slice of Blue Ridge in North Georgia, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on the next adventure. There's always more waiting just around the bend.